Hello everyone and welcome to YouTube channel Ashu Talks. So in this video we are going to talk about Infosys recruitment process. The Infosys exam happened on 22nd August. So if you have given exam on 22nd August, this video is totally for you. I will help to clear all your doubts regarding Infosys recruitment process in this particular video. So this video is so much important for you because as you all know you have completed the exam. So what are the next process? We have not received the interview mail. So we will talk about everything in details in this video. First of all, you can see the point Infosys result not received. So many of the candidates have not received the Infosys result. So we will talk about that also. And the second point is chances of getting rejection mail. So many of the candidates got rejection mail and many of the candidates got selection mail also. So if you have not received any mail, so what are the chances of getting rejection mail, either selection mail? We will talk about both the sides. And the third point is interview schedule date. As you all know, many candidates got result, but interview is not scheduled yet by the Infosys. So how much time it will take, how to prepare for the interview, how to crack Infosys interview. I will talk about everything in details in this video. So please watch the YouTube video till the end. And if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, and if you are new to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the Telegram channel. All the links will be in description below. So without any further delay, let's get started to the video. First of all, we are going to talk about interview doubts. Okay, so first of all, I will show you which mail you will receive after completing the assessment. After you complete the assessment, you will get to see a mail like this. If you clear the assessment, you will get to see a mail like this. Hello, thank you for participating in our off-campus recruitment drive and taking out the time to appear in the Infosys online test. We are happy to inform you that profile has been shortlisted for the interview round. The interview will be conducted virtually and it will assess your technical and behavior skills. So in this particular mail, they have mentioned that you have been shortlisted for the interview. Okay, but they have not mentioned they have not mentioned the time, date and duration in this video, in this particular mail, because this is just a result mail. They have told you that you have completed the assessment. Now it's time that you prepare for the Infosys interview. So this is a basic mail, that selection mail you will receive after assessment, as you clear the assessment. Okay, so I have already talked about that particular mail and all the details in this mail in our previous videos also. Now let's talk about how to prepare for Infosys interview. As you can see on the screen, I have already made a 3 to 4 video regarding Infosys interview preparation for software engineer role. As you can see, Infosys TR and HR interview question, Infosys interview questions for system engineer, Infosys interview preparation. So this is a particular video I have made yesterday only, so you can go and watch this video. And the second video is how to crack Infosys interview. So okay, so all the link will be in description below, so please go and check it out. That if you prepare that much, there are 95% chances that you will clear the Infosys interview. Just follow the steps and do the preparation what I have told you in this video. Okay, also you can see if you click on any of this video, in description you will get various video regarding Infosys. Okay, how to crack Infosys interview, Infosys interview preparation, Infosys interview experience, Infosys in-hand salary for SE role, system engineer role, Infosys laptop for fresher, which laptop Infosys provide for like freshers, they provide during training or after training. Everything I have mentioned, and in this video I have told you like what are the resources for preparing for Infosys interview. So that video will be so much helpful for you, so don't miss that video and please watch the video. That will be well and good for you to crack the interview. Okay, so this is how you can prepare for Infosys interview. Now let's talk about second point, rejection mail. Okay, so this is the rejection mail you will receive. Okay, here you can see Infosys fresher recruitment recently who have given exam on 22nd August. That candidate only receive this rejection mail. We refer to your application and the subsequent participation in the online test as part of our selection process. We regret to inform you that you have not cleared the same. If you have not cleared the assessment, if you have not cleared the cutoff of particular assessment, you will get to see a mail like this, regret mail. They have totally mentioned that you have not cleared, so they cannot take your profile forward. That means you are totally rejected for Infosys recruitment process. Your profile will not be take any further or any forward. Okay, so this is a rejection mail and this is the selection mail. I hope this is clear, you have understood this process. Okay, now okay, so let's clear that out. Infosys result not received. So like many candidates receive the Infosys result on 28th, 29th, on 30th August. Okay, but if you have not received Infosys result, you have to wait for 1 week. Okay, on before first week of September, like before 7th of September, everyone will get Infosys result. Either that is selection mail or rejection mail. You will get to see that. Okay, if you are selected or not. But wait till 7th of September. You will get to see everything about result. Okay, chances of getting rejection mail. Rejection mail is totally depend on your performance. If you have performed good in assessment, you will get a selection mail. But if you have performed if you have not performed good, you will get rejection mail. So this is how rejection mail works. Okay, so as I've told you, it is totally depend on you and your performance of rejection on assessment. If you have performed good, you will get selection. If you have not performed good, you will get rejection. Now talk about rejection in interview. What are the chances of getting rejected during interview? So guys, let me tell you, there are very less chances that you will get rejection mail during interview. Okay, I have made interview preparation videos. Watch that videos and prepare that much particular question and important points I have mentioned in that video. If you prepare all those things well, there are high chances that you will get selected, because very few candidates, like only 3 to 5% got rejection mail after the interview. Okay, so high chances of getting selection after interview also. Okay, so the rejection percentage is very low after the interview. Okay, but you have to prepare well, don't take it lightly, and also the difficulty level is easy to moderate. It is not very tough. Okay, so please prepare well and clear the interview easily. Now the third point is interview schedule date. So like many candidates are waiting for interview schedule, like they have cleared the assessment but they are not getting interview schedule date. Okay, so I will show you how the mail looks like. As you can see on the screen, this is the mail you will get to see once you get interview schedule. Congratulations, you have successfully cleared the Infosys online test to qualify for the interview round of Infosys campus recruitment program. The interview will be conducted virtually. This round will assess technical and behavior skills. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, interview will be totally virtually, totally online. You don't have to go anywhere. Just wear formal shirt and you are good to go and prepare for the interview. Like focus on your communication skill mainly. Okay, so okay, in this round there will be technical and behavior skill assessment. Okay, so prepare for TR question and HR question as well. I have already mentioned in those video like how to prepare and how to crack the interview, so you can go and watch that video. Link will be in description and I button also. Okay, so here you can see like the date of interview schedule. Okay, so day and date, everything, and time, duration. So as I told you, the duration of Infosys interview is not much. It is 19 minutes mentioned, but they will mostly take 12 to 15 minutes duration. Okay, so in 12 to 15 minutes your Infosys interview will be over. Okay, so there are basic requirements mentioned in this video, like how to behave. Okay, how to sit, which browser to use, internet connection. So you can read this out, you can take screenshot and read this out. Okay, so like for the particular 22nd August exam, Infosys have not sent any interview mail. If they start sending interview mail, I will update on our YouTube channel. Okay, so please be updated on our YouTube channel. I will tell you every details, each and every little information on our YouTube channel regarding Infosys recruitment process. Okay, so this is the interview mail. Okay, so interview will be scheduled soon. Before 7th of September you will get interview schedule. Okay, as you all know, previously for previous exam 22nd May, okay, 16th May and June candidates also are waiting for interview. Okay, there are some candidates who are waiting for interview, so interview schedule can be delayed, but don't worry, just be prepared and also apply in various different drives also. Okay, keep applying in other drive also, like don't take for granted like you will definitely get selected. Okay, try in other MNCs also. Okay, because interview schedule can take time. I'm telling you like it can take time, so prepare well. Okay, and have patience, everything will be well and good. So thanks for watching this YouTube video till the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you are new to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.